Here's how to set up and customize ringtones on your iPhone. 1. Access sound settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Sounds and Haptics, which is located just below Notifications. 2. Change your ringtone. In the Sounds and Haptics menu, tap on Ringtone near the top. Here you'll see a list of available ringtones. The default tone is set to Reflection, but you can choose any of the other tones listed. If you scroll to the bottom and tap Classic, you'll find older ringtone options, like the nostalgic old phone tone. 3. Customize haptics. While adjusting your ringtone, you can also change the haptic feedback, which determines how your phone vibrates during calls and notifications. 4. Buy new ringtones. If you want something unique, tap on Tone Store at the top of the ringtone menu. This will take you to the store where you can browse and purchase ringtones. You can listen to a preview of each tone before purchasing. Most ringtones cost $1.29. After buying one, you'll have the option to set it as your default ringtone, default text tone, or assign it to a specific contact. To finalize the purchase, double-click the side button to confirm payment. 5. Access purchased ringtones. If you've already bought ringtones, go back to the Sounds and Haptics menu and select Purchase Tones under the Tone Store section. You'll find all your purchased ringtones here. If they don't appear immediately, look for an option to update Tone Library or download purchased tones. Once downloaded, the tones will show up and be ready for use. 6. Customize text tones and contact-specific ringtones. You can also personalize text tones and assign specific ringtones to individual contacts. This way, you'll know exactly who's texting or calling based on the sound. With these steps, you can fully control your iPhone's sounds, from ringtones to vibrations, making it as personalized as you want. I hope this guide helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports me. Thanks.